Alright, welcome back YouTube. So, if you don't know already, this video is to tell you what happened after we had a storm, why my bike wouldn't run. So, I took out the baffle and the cap that goes over the exhaust right here. As you see right here, here's the baffle for it. And I took the screen off and everything, but as you see, it narrows down the amount of airflow that comes out and things you can go back in. It has its own reasons, but I got a little bit more power. Well, anyways, by doing that, this in here is just a big open hole, and it goes down to somewhere about here. And then right about here, it goes down to about that big, and that's your actual exhaust that goes out through your pipe and through your catalytic converter. This, though, becomes like a big reservoir. So we had a storm come in, and all the rain, like a monsoon, was blowing this direction. I didn't have my bike covered, so it filled water, because it's the first time I had a storm without that cap and baffle on there. Filled this whole thing up here with water and flooded it. So I had to blow it out by getting it started. It would die, I'd get it started again. I'd have to blow everything out of it real quick. And then once I got all the liquid out of it, I was good to go. So there you go. If you have any troubles after a storm and you've taken your baffle out and everything, try cleaning it out by getting it started and blowing it out, or taking off the exhaust and cleaning it out. Have a good day.